The Galaxy S22 Ultra's selfie camera adds beautification by default. It basically smoothens out your face, and there are a few enhancements it does by default. Now, to turn those off, simply open the selfie camera and then tap on this enhancement icon in the top right corner, and then make sure face is selected, and you can see all these enhancements. There's smoothness, there's tone, all that stuff, and you can see all these enhancements have been added to some degree. Now, to turn off all these enhancements, simply tap on this button that says on. It currently says on because it's on. Tap on it, and when it says off, it basically means all enhancements and beautifications have been removed, and from now on all your selfies will be exactly the way you look. And that's basically how to remove enhancements and beautification filters from your Galaxy S22 Ultra's selfie camera. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.